Now there are lots of different ways that you can join the wire. Different milliners use different techniques. The traditional old school technique is to use lots of thread round and round. I do that from time to time. I always use glue as well so the wire doesn't slip. That's fairly time consuming though. I like to join the wire with floral tape, readily available at most millinery suppliers. Floral tape is great because it's very quick to apply. If you make a mistake, you can easily snip it off and start again. It's a very quick and easy method for joining the wires, and it's quite sticky and it grips, so it does make a very long-lasting join. So I've just started with the corner of the floral tape, and I've started binding round and round very tightly on the diagonal. So starting in the middle of the join and going out towards one of the ends. And I'm going to continue until I've wrapped around that sharp wire end. Once I've wrapped the end in, I'm going to reverse my direction and I'm going to start heading back in the other direction. Again, binding very tightly so that the floral tape sticks and so that you get a nice non-bulky join as you're wrapping that floral tape round. I've bound in the other sharp end of my wire and I'll just do a few more twists to the middle. You know, give it a little bit of a squish with your fingers, but you can see that makes a very neat join in the wire.